Casey, you could win a national championship. The breed only began competing in July.
Bradie's watching the dog show.
Now down toward the end of this group, and that means, of course, the corgis. And this
the
is
final of the dog show. What is that right there?
A 4-year-old female from
And she's liking it. She's sitting in front of the TV, watching it. There's the dog, and there's our dog. They're cute. Oh, she's laying down.
This is the cardigan.
What is this? Come on.
For distinctive
What is this?
color. Cardigan corgis were originally bred to be
She likes the
cowboys.
TV.
So they're long and low. So literally, they can roll out of the way and not get.
She's still watching.
One of the breeds that you can really look at and understand why we breed dogs to a standard.
Well, that's the end of the herding group. He really knows his corgis, right?
He sure does. He breeds the breeds, and he has ideas about them. He's really very positive about what he thinks about them.
Right. I wonder, it'll be interesting to see how it.
Why does she all of a sudden want to watch the show?
Is he harder on the corgis?
Well, if he uses the corgis, you'll know that those people are honored, so to speak.